This breakfast casserole is made with plenty of sausage and cheese. Prep the casserole at night and bake and enjoy in the morning. It's so easy. Hi, I'm Joni from OneDishKitchen.com, your #1 source for single-serving recipes. Let me show you how to make it. In a medium-sized skillet, cook 6 ounces of ground pork sausage until it's no longer pink. You can also use turkey sausage if you'd like. Transfer it to a paper towel-lined plate and set it aside. In a small bowl, beat 1 large egg, whisk in 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1/8 of a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of coarsely ground black pepper. Butter a 5-inch baking dish or a dish of similar size. Take a loaf of French bread and cut it into small cubes until you have about 2 cups of bread cubes. Line the dish with the bread cubes and arrange them so the thickness is about the same. Sprinkle the bread with the cooked sausage and 1/2 of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. You can use Monterey Jack cheese as an alternative. Pour the egg mixture over the entire dish. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and refrigerate overnight. The next morning, heat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Let the casserole come to room temperature, and with the aluminum foil still covering the dish, cook the casserole for 25 to 30 minutes or until the egg mixture is set. Remove from the oven and enjoy while hot. Be sure to check these great videos and click below to like and subscribe. And please visit OneDishKitchen.com, where we have hundreds of single-serving recipes. At One Dish Kitchen, cooking for one is all we do. Bye for now.